So hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are driving the 2020 model Hyundai i10 Grand NIOS, and this comes with a 1.2 naturally aspirated Kappa engine, and it produces around 83 bhp, adequate for a city drive, city car. And so this is one of the most selling hatchbacks, small hatchbacks in this segment. So it's very easy and very convenient to drive, especially in cities. And this is a 1.2 naturally aspirated petrol engine, so which has adequate power to commute in a city, and also it is very good very good for commuting in highways. So talking about the steering, it is towards very lighter side, very easy to maneuver in city traffic or in city conditions. And talking about the features, it has this 8-inch infotainment system with wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So this is a 2020 model. I think with the latest update there are a few more. It's basically the same, so there is very few updates with the latest one, especially towards the exterior and all. Most of the things remain the same. The engine, everything is same. And talking about the engine, it's a refined unit, 4-cylinder 1.2 liter, which produces around 83 PS. And the AMT is also quite good when compared to previous one, because if you are driving it very light foot, then the shifts are very good. Otherwise, if you are pushing it hard, then you can definitely feel the AMT jerkiness. So especially for first buyers or people who prefer easy driving or in city, then this is this is a great option, because it's very easy to drive. And talking about the comfort, the seating comfort is good for 4 people. The rear seat space is also very good. I mean, the leg room, everything is actually good even for tall people, even though it's a small car. And you don't expect a good performance or a driving enthusiast performance from this car. So it's basically just to commute from point A to point B. The ride quality is towards the softer side. The suspension is tuned for comfort and not for stability or high performance, but just for comfort side. The cabin is actually very silent. The engine is very silent. You don't hear much engine sound or the outside noise inside the cabin. The response is actually quite good, because for this engine is adequate for this car of this size. So this is having enough power to overtake, but that little lagginess is there. I mean, it is a little slow in response, but for overtake you have to just plan it beforehand, then do the overtake. And that's a common issue with AMT transmissions. So this is the sports variant AMT, and this comes with auto climate control, projector headlamps, and all those features. There is no push button start for this. So I think this is a good option if you're looking for a second-hand AMT options. If this 2020 model, 2021 model, you will get around 4.5 lakhs. So it is a good car to start with. And talking about the fuel efficiency, it is coming around, now with my city driving, it is coming almost around 12.2 kilometers per liter. So maybe if you are very light foot or if you are driving more in highways, you will get good mileage. But in city, actually you can get around 12, 13 or up to 14 kilometers per liter. So fuel efficiency wise also, this is pretty good. I mean, it's actually fuel efficient. So drivability is actually good. It's very easy to maneuver. Because of its size and because since it is very lightweight, this 1.2 is having enough power to have a good drive. So apart from that, then yeah, the ride I actually already mentioned, it's actually towards the softer side. It's very comfortable, especially in cities and all. So even the rev also, unless you push it hard, you won't hear the engine rev inside. So the engine is also very quiet. So this variant also comes with alloy wheels, and it is also there. And I mean, talking about the seat comfort, seats are actually comfortable for short drives. Actually, there is no much support, but for short drives and all, actually it is pretty good. I mean, with the latest variant, I think we are having this adjustable headrest, but with this 2020 model and all, we have fixed headrest. And it also has a reverse camera, and this touchscreen also very responsive. It has Android Auto, and it comes with 4 speakers, and actually the sound quality is pretty good for this price point. So if you tune it, if you tune the music player accordingly, then you will get a pretty good output. So yeah, so that is pretty much it. There is actually, it is a great car for city drive. If somebody is looking for a second hand AMT car, then I would say I10 NIOS is a great option. So you can continue watching the video for some ASMR drive. And thank you guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel, support by liking the video and sharing, and thank you so much, and see you in next video.